Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this video I'm going to show you delete section. So in this video I'm going to cover the delete section. Okay, so here in place of delete, let's write here delete.php question mark id equals to PHP, and then here PHP close. Now let's write this id here. Okay, so delete.php, then here. So let's go to here once again and open here, refresh it, and then if I click on delete, then it takes me to delete.php. Since we don't have any file called delete.php, so we need to create this file. So now let's open a new one and create here delete.php, right? So now what we have to do is that, so here let's write this. So we are just calling this file and then creating an object, and then let's write, let's prepare here the where condition. Okay, so where id equals to get id, right? And then $rs, this delete function, then registration where condition. So what does this mean? This where, so if you echo this one, so it will show you something like this. Click on delete and you can see id, where id equals to 4. Now since we don't have any function called delete inside a function.php, that is right, we need to create that. So far we have called this function.php and then create an object, and then here we prepare the where condition, because we need to pass here table name and then id. Okay, we need to pass here id. So now let's go to function.php, this one, and we need to create a function called delete.php. Delete here, and then inside this we need to write code, and then here let's write this code. Sorry, here we need to pass the argument. Okay, so that we can take table name and then where condition. So here we will write the code, and then the code will be $const with this connection one and global, and then here it will be like this, that delete from table name, so delete from registration where id equal to get id. Okay, so now let's try if this works. It should work. So now get back to here, and then let's try to delete this one. So unexpected delete, line number 51, function start PHP, line number 51. This function is ending here, then this function. Okay, sorry guys, public function we need to provide here, public function delete. Okay, so that's fine there, like this, and the data should be deleted, but it didn't get deleted, so we need to check why it's not deleting. Let's go to function.php once again, and then let's just echo this one. So how it is growing, we need to check it. So if I click on this delete, then it's coming back. So rather we need to check here in delete.php file here. So let's comment this one, and now let's check. So it is like delete from registrations. S, either S, I think no, this is a registration. Now let's try again, and it's deleting correctly now. So as you can see, the data is deleted from the database. Only one record is remaining here. So it's working perfectly. So now if I click once again here this delete, then the data is deleted. Now once again, if I write here insert, then Umar Rahman, Umar @gmail.com, and then 1 2 3 4 5, click on submit, and the data is here. So far we have created insert and view. That means this file, this is the view, the list one, and then after that in this video we made this functional. That means we implemented this delete button also. So let me show you once again what did I do. Let's go to index.php, and then just I'm repeating here what did we do. So here you can see we created a file delete.php, then in query string we are passing this id, so that it looks like this. If you want to see this, then let's see the output. Control press U. Okay, and here you can see that it is showing like this, delete.php, then id equal to 6. Okay, so when we click on this this one, then a function called this delete is called this one. Then here we have written here $del delete from table name. So here is registration where id equal to 1, and these two things are coming as a parameter from this these two things are coming from delete.php here. So there is where condition, and we are passing here table, so it is going table name and where condition. That means where id equal to maybe 2 3 4 whatever, and after deleting it is redirecting to index.php. So that's how this delete things is working. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will show you edit and update section. So stay connected, and don't forget to press bell button, and also don't forget to subscribe so that similar useful video we can present you. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.